Okay, another way that you can create great gifts, you know, for international holidays. We've chosen 2 international holidays. So we've got St. Patrick's Day here, and we have St. George's Day, or Active Union Day for Britain and Ireland. But there's also all manner of other ones. There's the Independence Day, there's Dominion Day, there's Australia Day, there's Eid, there's all of these different international holidays that people will be looking to commemorate and celebrate with. And so the concept of hampers and gift baskets is a perfect way of doing that. So we've got the Union flag and we've got the Irish flag here. So let's take them out at this stage and say, right, this would obviously identify with Ireland. We're very fortunate here because we can pick products from both islands, from Ireland and from Britain here. So when we are producing an Irish one, we're obviously filling it with Irish products. And whenever we're doing a British one, now the general idea here is that a typical hamper or gift basket, you don't really care where it's from, it's just fused together. But we're giving an indication as to how you can actually create a national one. Yeah. So if you've got like if maybe you're from Switzerland, or maybe your partner is Lithuanian and whatever, go to the Lithuanian shop and get a few things together, put it together, and give it as a gift. Yeah. It's a wonderful solution to a gift conundrum of something different other than flowers or bottle of something. Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look at how we did the British one and how we did the Irish one for St. Patrick's Day and for, say, St. George's Day or Active Union Day.
Yeah, so we have maybe some of our traditional hamper kind of products in here, starting off with tea, something that everybody will like and enjoy. We go in then to our like biscuits and different chocolates. We've got here pineapple and kiwi fruit crisps. That's one of your 5 a day. So a little selection of products. They're tasty and luxurious, but they're also, you know, healthy-ish. That's vegan, raw, dark chocolate mulberries. So that's vegan, so just different little things to taste and try.
So you've got English breakfast tea, you've got biscuits, chocolates, mint and single estate here, you've got strawberry and rogue chocolates and chocolate, what is that, mulberries or whatever, and some little crispies. That's a straightforward.
Yeah, it's not going to offend anybody. Everybody's going to enjoy the products in it.
And all the products come from Britain.
Yep.
Okay, and in this one here, you have pretty much the same, but you've got Irish chocolates, you've got Irish biscuits, Irish little crispies here, bakery type of products and biscuits. So again, very similar, maybe less in terms of chocolate here than in the British one or whatever, but that could be just our purchasing decision making here. But in other words, it's pretty much the same. In other words, there's far more that brings us together. The tastes are universal, whether it's British or Irish, European, Swiss, German, or whatever. There's no point, niching it down to individual component parts of something. You can do that, of course you can, but we tend to find that most flavors and tastes are universal. And when you're putting this together, say, if like this is, it's easy if you're British and Irish here, but say you're looking at this and you're from Lithuanian and whatever, or Polish or whatever, well, we see, for instance, in Tesco's now and Sainsbury's, big
international aisles,
big international aisles there or whatever. But
so you can create them for anybody. If you have someone who is staying in your town, who's moved here, and they might be missing home, you can create them a gift basket of home tastes and flavors that they'll appreciate, and it can be for any occasion. We've just picked, St. Patrick's Day and stuff, but it can just be a thinking of you gift. It doesn't have to be.
The British ones are popular for sending to Europe, ironically, whereby
People have moved.
Whether the British are held in particularly high commercial, obviously not since Brexit so much, but there's been with a lot of expats or whatever in Europe or whatever that are looking, you would be wanting to say like a reflection of British, particularly the mint chocolates and the tea, which comes from it. You tend to value something an awful lot more whenever you're detached from that home environment. Likewise, with the Irish one, the St. Patrick's Day one, it tends to be there's always a demand to send them to the Irish, particularly the biggest expat Irish market is actually in Britain itself. Over a million of Irish heritage there. So we tend to find then that St. Patrick's Day gifts are very frequently sent to Irish people in Britain. So it's these ones here are, I would say, more celebrated by expats in particular.
Yeah.
That have left Ireland or Britain and whatever. And when you think about it, that what you currently have is an awful lot of European, Polish and Lithuanian, and now from Ukraine and whatever. So this is an element whereby if you are putting together a gift for somebody, there's no problem, and it actually makes a really good gift to put your own national preferences together with it to send, rather than flowers or something alcoholic. And at the end of the day, the objective of what we're trying to do is get flavors, tastes, qualities, and get the discussion of gift baskets as a really interesting, great gift to send out to your friends, family, and colleagues around the world. Okay, very good.